No, so basically, the Lit Fest started about 4 or 5 years back, and it has grown a lot in the last 5 years. Our objective is to really attract the authors and writers from the national, international level and bring them here to this fest to, again, as I said, to share their writings and to motivate young writers, especially our own local boys and girls, and really push them to also become and go into aspects of writing and literature. That's really what it is. And obviously, when we do all of that, it goes along with the overall festive season. So it's another kind of flavor that we're adding to the entire festive season. It's not just about music, it's not just about food, it's not just about the weather or the place, but it's also about literature and writing. So it's a lot of aspects to it. So that's what really the purpose is, and I am very happy to see the response. It's one of the better fests, lit fests we have had in the last 5 years, and we are hoping that in the next coming years this could become and should become one of the top literary festivals in the country.
So this is the fifth edition, as we're all aware of it. In your opinion, what makes the fifth edition different as compared to previous editions?
Well, number one, that we learned from the past. We improved ourselves. We ensured that maybe the numbers or number of people that participated did not go up that much, but the quality of the people that are participating and coming in from different parts of the country and the world, I think makes this Lit Fest special. And they've all had very good response and reviews about this fest. And I hope that that word of mouth will spread and people will write about it, and that we'll be seeing more and more people coming in the future in the next festivals to come. As I mentioned earlier, that we are striving and working hard towards putting this into the national calendar, a national map. And we hope that we have been able to achieve that. But then now we want to take it to the next level, where we would like to see that this should be among the top three festivals, literary festivals in the country, and at least one of the best in the world also. So we are hoping to work towards that. It's a long journey. A lot of work needs to be done. But we will continue to work hard to make sure that we are able to achieve that goal.